Hello, 你好，我是 Katrina. In this video, I'm going to share you one of my experiences in Taiwan. So the other day, I was at the grocery store downstairs of my apartment. So I went to the grocery store and wanting to buy this kind of coffee. And it's usually if I buy two, and it will be cheaper. 所以买两杯比较便宜 ，OK。买两杯 buy 2 cups 比较便宜 it's cheaper, okay, more cheaper in Mandarin we say 买两杯比较便宜 so anyway I was wanting to buy 2 cups of these when I went to the cashier I saw the damage on this package right here so I asked the cashier if I can change this to the one that does not damaged. Okay, so I asked them, 我可以换这个吗？我可以换这个吗？ May I change this? Okay, because this is damaged as you can see. So he says, oh, there's no problem, 没问题. So I went back to the refrigerator, to the fridge, and to take the good one. So I took 2, and I paid my money, and I bagged my stuff, and I was ready to go.Then the cashier asked me, 你要这个吗? And I was kind of like surprised and asked him 为什么? Because he asked me 你要这个吗? Because I already paid 2 of these. And then he asked me 你要这个吗? Do you want this? I asked him 为什么? He said that this is going to be expired in 2 days. So which means it's not expired.But it's gonna be expired in 2 days, and the cashier say, because it's going to expire in 2 days. Okay, 再2天就要过期了，再2天就要过期了。It's gonna expire in 2 days. So he said that 今天我们就会把它丢掉。Okay, so today we're going to throw this away. 今天我们就会把它丢掉。So he said, I can give you for free if you want, if you don't mind, this is damage. Actually, I can see some coffee spilled out from here, okay? And I was like, oh yeah, no problem, I can take it because it's free and it's not expired, right? And then it would be a waste if you throw it away when it's not expired yet, all right? So then I say, oh, 好，谢谢. Because I was surprised, I said, oh. So I say, oh, 好，谢谢. And then I took it. So I ended up taking 3 cups of coffee with the price of 2. Please let me know if your country has the same thing that happened. Do they do the same to their customer? Please leave me the comment below. And before I go, I just want to teach you something really quickly. So if you say something is damaged, or is not in good shape, okay, like this, something is damaged, and we will say 这个坏了. 坏 means bad, so this has turned bad. This is how we say it. So if you say something is damaged or is broken, we could say 这个坏了. So that's how I told the cashier 这个坏了, 这个坏了. And then the cashier in Mandarin is 收银员, 收银员. If you want to say if you buy 1 and get 1 free, actually I didn't buy 1 get 1 free, but I just want to teach to buy 1 and get 1 free. 买一送一, 买一送一. So 买一 buy 1, 送 is to give us a gift, okay, or to deliver. So buy 1 and deliver 1 free. 买一送一, this is buy 1 get 1 free.And the cashier, 收银员, he asked me, do you want this? Do you want this? In Mandarin, we say, 你要这个吗? 你要这个吗? Okay, do you want this? Because he say, 这个快过期了. This is going to expire. So to be expired in Mandarin, we say, 过期. 过期, 过 means over or past. 期 is the date. So 过期 is expire. 这个快过期了. This is about to expire. 这个快过期了. So 快 something something 了 means about to or is going to. 这个快过期了，你要这个吗? And then I say, oh, 好啊 yeah 好啊谢谢 OK， 谢谢。Because I told the cashier, I say, 把这个丢掉很浪费，我要这个。I say, 把这个丢掉很浪费，我要这个。So throwing this out is a waste. 很浪费。So 浪费 is wasteful. I use that as an adjective. 很浪费 it's very wasteful. So 把这个 I'm taking this 丢掉 is throw away. So taking this and throwing it away is very wasteful. 把这个丢掉很浪费。把这个丢掉很浪费。我要，谢谢。I want this. Thank you. Alright, that's all for this episode. And please don't forget to share me what's your experience in your country when the same scenario happens. Until then, I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。